Dude, tell me you haven't been tempted to buy this thing. Everyone's talking about it like it's the only way to get good footage. Why is everyone acting like we suddenly need this thing to make good videos? I get it, it's cool, but what's in your hand right now? My phone? Exactly, you have a good camera and you already have it. So why do you need another? Let's talk about why you should not drop $500 on the Osmo and just start using what you already have. Let's break this down. The Pocket 3 it's cool, fancy, whatever, but look at this. Your phone already has 4K 60 frames per second. Same as the Osmo Pocket 3. Stabilization, your phone already has it. But what about like that smooth gimbal-like move? Just hold your phone steady, like slow movements and stuff. It's really simple. And what about the price? Like the Pocket 3 is expensive. Think about it, you've already got your phone, so why do you need to buy another gadget just to film? Your phone films the same thing. All right, let me give you some cheat codes to making your phone look cinematic. Lighting is everything. You see this? Natural light, it's perfect. Artificial yellow kitchen light, that's not the greatest. So just step outside or get near a window, somewhere where you have natural light coming in. Another thing you could do is just adjust your white balance. Your native phone app might not have this option, but you could get the Blackmagic Studio app. And aside from giving you a whole bunch of options on your camera, like shutter speed, aperture, ISO, you can also adjust things like your white balance, all from your phone, while filming with your phone. So you can set your white balance in those conditions where you've got tungsten lighting, or you've got fluorescent lighting, or you've got daylight coming in. You just adjust your white balance to make those colors look good. And smooth footage. You don't need a gimbal for this. You can, just instead of walking around like a T-Rex, walk heel to toe like a ninja, smooth and steady, or hold your phone closer to your chest. It's literally just like a human stabilizer. To pull your arms in, you'll get a more locked off shot. It's gonna look a lot better. Third is to frame like a filmmaker. Instead of just pointing the camera at your face like you Zoom call, back up, use different angles, and lock that exposure in so the brightness doesn't change and start doing weird things while you're in the middle of your shot. And number 4 is audio. People are gonna forgive bad video quality a little bit, but they're not going to let you go with bad audio quality. Immediate skip, they're gone. So if you can, use your earbuds with there's that little thing called the mic on it, or your AirPods. You can use them as a mic, or you can grab a DJI mic to be able to get better audio. Wait, you can use your DJI mic too with your phone? Yeah, I made a video on how to hook it up. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. I'll just leave it wherever that card goes up there. If you're still not convinced that your phone is enough and you just want something more to step up that quality, make your life a little bit easier, get a more pro look without breaking the bank, you're gonna wanna check these out. Small rig friction arm clamp mount. This little thing clamps onto literally anything. Your desk, a railing, a tree branch if you're feeling a little extra wild, and you can mount your phone anywhere with it. These small Manfrotto tripod, super compact, super sturdy, and perfect for setting up quick shots. Has an adjustable ball head up here on the top, so you can frame your shots with that. The small rig camera mount tripod. Set it up anywhere, your desk, your table, in the car, or screw it on to your friction arm for hands-free filming. Mounted anywhere. It's got these 1/4-inch threads. You can screw it onto that tripod, screw it onto that friction arm. It's all super easy to do, adjustable for your phone, whether vertical content, horizontal content. Hook your phone in and you're good to go. And even if you don't get the Manfrotto mini tripod, this doubles as a tripod as well. Doubles, triples, I don't know how many options this thing has. And it's pretty compact. You can pack it all up, really small there. I would definitely pick up one of these. And lastly, the DJI Mic 2 for crispy pro level audio. Get this little guy. It's wireless. It'll improve your audio and it makes you look that much more professional too. Okay, now that is actually useful. How much do these actually cost? They cost way less than the Pocket 3 and they work with almost every single phone. Friction arm, around 20 bucks. The mini tripod, also around 20 bucks. The camera clamp, also around 20 bucks. The DJI mic, obviously it's gonna be the most expensive. You're paying for that technology, but it's around $100. So for under 200 bucks, you can have the perfect setup for filming your videos at a fraction of the cost. And if you want to spend even less, don't get the tripod. Just get the friction arm and the phone clamp and the DJI mic. And that little setup is creator dreams. Listen, camera companies want you to feel like you're missing out. That's how they make their money. All your favorite YouTubers started with their phone. Your audience cares about your content, not so much the camera that you use. So you're saying I don't actually need the Pocket 3. Dude, use what you have, and if your channel blows up, then we'll talk about upgrades. But right now, you already have everything that you need. So here's the deal. You're gonna grab your phone and film something, just start. And if this saved you from blowing $500 or $600 on a camera that you don't need, then you better buy me dinner with that money saved. Deal? Deal. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Is that how you end your videos? YouTubers have really got to get more creative with their outros. If you're looking to upgrade your camera to something to film with other than your phone, then you'll want to check out this video next. See you there.